Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix touchpad on your Windows 11 is not working and how we can fix this up. So this is actually you just have to try a very simple basic method, and most probably this will be completely fixed. You can try this method on Windows 11 as well as on a Windows 10. So let's move to it. What you have to do is have to go over here and search for settings. From here you just have to navigate to up here at the top left. You can see Bluetooth and devices. Just click on this one. From here you just have to scroll down. You'll be having many options, and when you keep on scrolling you'll be able to find an option called touchpad. So just select this one, and over here as you can see at the top the touchpad is enabled, right? So here in my laptop I'm having touchpad, so it is enabled, so I can move in between. Like right now which I'm moving, the cursor is not with my mouse, with the touchpad. If I turn this off, even I can move with the mouse, but I can't move with the touchpad. So all you have to do is make sure that this is turned on, or else you'll be having the trouble. And once it is done, just close this, and most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye.